Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Maps step by step. So at first, you need to open the Google Maps app, and then you have to search for a place or tap on it on the map. And then so you on there you can just type where you want to go, and then in the bottom left just tap directions. So after you tap directions, you can see, so you will get a notification and just press OK.
Head west.
And then you just press start. So you see the lines, the routes that are not on blue, the gray routes means a similar ETA. So you can also press on it if you want to go to that way. So there you can see the time, the estimated time, and then how far, and then the time when you will arrive to that location. And then you can zoom out to see the whole map from where you are to the location you're going. And you can choose one of the following: driving, transit, walking, riding services, or cycling. So that's it for today. I hope it's useful, and thank you for watching.